Your CPU temperature indicates how hard your computer is working and if it's overheating. So here's how to check it safely. First, you need to do it through the BIOS or UEFI. Restart your computer, and while it's restarting, press the delete key, F2 key, or the escape key, and the key you need to press depends on your computer's brand to open the BIOS or UEFI settings. Then find a section labeled as Hardware Monitor, System Health, or PC Status, and the CPU temperature will be displayed there. Another is using the free software. Download a reliable program like Temp or HWMonitor or SPECI. And here you can install and open the program, and your CPU temperature in degrees Celsius will be immediately shown for each core. You can also go for a safe temperature range. While idle, it's 30 to 50 degrees Celsius, and during gaming or heavy use, it's 60 to 80 degrees Celsius, and above 90 degrees Celsius, it's too hot. Clean the fans, improve cooling, or check the thermal paste. So that's it for this video. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.